Are you tired of surviving on instant noodles and counting every penny as a college student? Did you know that Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, started his incredible journey to success as a broke college student? Yes, the man who revolutionized technology and became one of the richest people in the world was once right where you are now. If he could turn adversity into opportunity, so can you. In this video, we're going to unveil 8 smart ways to not just survive but thrive financially while you're in college. 1. Freelancing. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding, use your skills to earn extra cash. The gig economy is booming, and there's no reason why you can't tap into it as a college student. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr offer flexible opportunities to earn extra cash. You can work on gigs that match your skills and schedule. By dedicating your free time to these side gigs, you can significantly boost your income. The best part? You're your boss, and you decide when and how much you want to work. 2. Investing in stocks. Investing might sound intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. As a college student, you have a significant advantage: time. The longer you invest, the more your money can grow through compound interest. Consider opening a brokerage account and start investing in stocks, bonds, or low-cost index funds. You can also explore investment apps like Robinhood or Acorns, which make it easy for beginners to start investing with small amounts of money. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by market fluctuations and always do your research or consult with a financial advisor. 3. Creating a blog or YouTube channel. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion, why not share it with the world and turn it into a source of income? Whether it's fashion, tech, or travel, creating and consistently delivering high-quality content can open doors to monetization. You can attract sponsors who want to collaborate, earn ad revenue from your audience, and explore affiliate marketing opportunities. By building a dedicated following and staying committed to your niche, you can transform your passion into a profitable venture. It's a rewarding way to both do what you love and generate income by sharing your expertise and enthusiasm with others. 4. Flipping items online. If you have a knack for spotting bargains, you can turn it into a lucrative venture by buying low and selling high on platforms like eBay or Etsy. Whether it's vintage clothing or refurbished electronics, there's significant profit potential, especially if you specialize in a niche market. You can scour thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces for hidden gems, then list them at a markup. It's a business model that rewards your eye for value, and with dedication, you can build a thriving online store. The key is to provide quality products and exceptional customer service to attract repeat buyers and maximize your earnings. 5. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is an online retail strategy where the seller doesn't physically stock the products they sell. Instead, they partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. When a customer places an order, the seller forwards it to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This model eliminates the need for warehousing and upfront inventory costs, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs. Dropshippers can offer a wide range of products without the risk of unsold inventory, and they can operate from anywhere with an internet connection. However, success in dropshipping requires effective marketing, customer service, and carefully selected suppliers to ensure quality and timely deliveries. 6. Creating an online course. If you excel in a particular skill or subject, why not share your expertise by creating an online course? Platforms like Teachable and Udemy offer the perfect opportunity to turn your knowledge into passive income. Your expertise can be incredibly valuable to others, and by crafting a well-structured course, you can reach a global audience. It's a win-win. You get to monetize your skills while helping others learn and grow. So take the plunge and transform your proficiency into a rewarding online teaching venture. 7. Affiliate marketing. Consider affiliate marketing as a way to earn by promoting products you're passionate about. Take Tom, for instance, who features tech gadgets on his blog and earns through affiliate links. When visitors click those links and make purchases, Tom receives a commission. It's a great way to monetize your interests and expertise. By sharing genuine recommendations, you can build trust with your audience and potentially generate a steady income. Plus, you don't need to worry about product creation or inventory. Just focus on showcasing products you love and reaping the rewards of successful affiliate partnerships. 8. Financial literacy. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Invest time in improving your financial literacy. Read books, take online courses, or attend seminars on personal finance. Understanding topics like budgeting, investing, and managing debt will equip you with the tools to make smart financial decisions. Consider following financial experts and channels on social media and YouTube to stay updated on the latest trends and strategies for growing your wealth. So there you have it, 8 smart ways to get rich as a college student. Remember, it's not about getting rich overnight, but rather building a strong financial foundation that will serve you well in the years to come. By budgeting, investing wisely, leveraging opportunities, and continuously improving your financial knowledge, you can set yourself on a path to financial success.